Hello friends, I am Sunny Agarwal and I am representing my firm SS Sanitation. We have been doing business since 2009. I am a proud member of BNI Tulip chapter in the category of tiles since 2 years. So my first BNI experience was when BNI was first launched in Siliguri. I remember it was the first meeting where the ED had invited me. I knew him personally from before, and there was a great energy in the room. Like there were people whom I knew from before, business, like people from all kind of business background, the prominent businessmen of the society. So it was a great moment in there itself, wherein I was like, okay, this is something serious. Like at 7:30 in the morning, so many people coming to a room to discuss business and understand how this tool works, how BNI works. So that was my first experience. Within that very moment, I decided that I have to join this because it's going to be a very good, it's going to be a very strong tool for my business to grow. So my BNI story is like BNI was, we used to go for the meetings and eventually it was just about business. But later we made friends who are like more like family now. They are part of our family gatherings. We hang out a lot together, and they are friends whom you can rely on. So BNI has not given me just business, but it has also given me friends for my entire life. So that's the kind of experience I had with BNI. So my BNI success story is like so I joined Tulip just before the pandemic. So I haven't had any kind of physical meeting yet, but so I my primary market at that time was like I was a major supplier for Bhutan, but then pandemic happened and business was going a little low, and that was the time when I joined Tulip, and suddenly I had a group of 40-50 people who were helping me grow my business during the pandemic also. Like I was getting referrals. There were few designers who were there in my chapter, so they started giving me business. Then there were other members who were giving me business from Sikkim. So on and all, like the pandemic didn't feel like pandemic. Like we didn't have a drop in our sales or anything like that. So that's my success story because I think it was the right time to join, and Tulip helped me a lot to sustain and grow my business even during the pandemic and after the pandemic. So out of the 7 core values of BNI, the one that I take really seriously is accountability. Like how in BNI we are accountable for all our actions, be it giving referrals, be it getting visitors to the meeting, be it passing the thank you slips on time. So we put everything on the app, so we are accountable for everything. So similarly in my business, I make sure that we are accountable to not only to our customers but to our suppliers, to our employees, and we make sure that we make a note of everything and each one is accountable for everything. Thank you BNI for giving me this great opportunity to be a part of such a wonderful network wherein I can grow my business manifold, and it has also helped me groom myself as a better person, to be a better entrepreneur. I would also like to thank BNI for giving me such great friends who are friends for lifetime, and overall it's such a great experience to be part of BNI. And finally, thank you BNI for changing the way I do business.